Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I want to show you how to make the report that's up on my screen. What I've done is I've just run a sales by customer detail report, and I added the sales rep over on the right-hand side. I want you to know how to do this just in case you're in a situation where you have sales that are happening and you're keeping track of the sales rep or you're keeping track of something else. It doesn't matter what you're keeping track of. But if you have a situation where it would be helpful to have your sales listed plus some content from a custom field, I want you to know how to do that. So first of all, sales rep is a custom field, and testing 1, 2, 3 and candy cane are my make-believe sales reps. So it's the holidays. I think candy cane was fun, and that's what I started my videos with. Right now, this information is grouped up by customer. You can see that on the left, group by customer. When I look through my options, another option I have is to group by sales rep. This could be really helpful if you want to see where your sales are coming from and who's doing what. I'll let your imagination run wild on what you would like to see here. Let me just show you how to make this happen. So first step, you have to have a custom field. Sales rep is not built into QuickBooks. I added it, and then I added the individual reps on the individual transactions. To do this, you'll go to the gear in the upper right-hand corner. Under the header for a list, you'll go to Custom Fields. I created a custom field called Sales Rep, and I had it apply to all these situations. To add a field, you click on Add a Field, give it a name, and then identify where it's going to show up and where it's not going to show up. All right, so leave before saving. Yeah, that's fine. So let's go to the reports. To get to the report that we started with, you'll go to Reports on the left-hand side of your screen. And then once this loads, I basically do everything by searching for report name. To me, it's faster than scrolling down. I know that I want something to do with sales. So I'm going to type sales and that's it. And then I'm just going to take my mouse and kind of look through my options. And I'm like, there's some good options here, but I think I want a sales by customer detail. So I'm going to click on sales by customer detail. And I'm like, yeah, this seems really good. So if I say I want my sales rep, it does show up. It does show up. I like having the column on the right though. I don't know why. It just helps me think. If you're the kind of person who wants to see the sales rep appear on this list, again, sales rep being that custom field, you can get it to appear by clicking on Customize. So in the upper right-hand corner, change column, and just scroll down until you find the name of your custom field. In my case, the name of my custom field is sales rep. When I do this, it'll appear on the right-hand side of my screen. So there it is. I can click on Customize, and I can just click on what Seth David calls the cheese grater, the 9 little squares, and I can drag it up. So if I want it to be more on the left, I can just drag it, click Run Report, it's magically over here. Once you get this set up the way you like it, just save customization. So I'm going to say with sales rep. So this will be for me to play with later. But the purpose of the video is just to show you something you can do if you're using custom fields, and if having the custom field information plus your sales information all in one spot is helpful, I wanted you to see how to do that. If there's anything you'd like to see if I can make happen, don't hesitate to let me know. I'm all for creating videos that are just broadly helpful for lots of people, but I also enjoy looking to see, can I solve a challenge and create a video for a use case that might only help 10 people? So I'm here if you need me. Thanks. Bye.